There you go.
Ooh, I pray we can capture this moment.
Good luck to us. Shoot. We're running out of juice.
What?
Phone is dying. No. Oh no. Oh no, the phone died. My phone died too. My phone.
This is the bird lover's best companion.
With a minimalist and modern appearance, the NetView Birdfy Nest features revolutionary design in every detail. The right side panel can be opened 180 degrees. The special edition of the removable elevated mesh floor and drainage channel keep the bird's nest dry. The built-in adjustable interior and exterior high-definition cameras allow you to get a closer look at the birds for any viewing needs you've been craving. The NetView Birdfy Nest can detect critical stages in the nesting and incubation process and provide timely artificial intelligence notifications. Even the smallest changes can be accurately captured by the Birdfy Nest. No matter where you are, with just a mobile phone, you can easily access the bird's hatching process and embrace the miracle of life. NetView Birdfy Nest will automatically create a time-lapse video to preserve the precious images without taking up a large amount of phone memory. It can condense nearly 2 months of bird nesting and incubation into a short video for easy review. With just a simple click on your phone, you can share your joy with loved ones in the backyard bird lovers community from anywhere. NetView Birdfy Nest, the choice of bird lovers.